Are you tired of spending countless hours perfecting your artwork or searching for inspiration? What if I told you that there's a tool out there that can generate stunning AI art in just a few clicks for you? But wait, there's more. This tool isn't just limited to AI art, it can also generate high-quality written copies, repeatable AI patterns, and unique art prompts that will inspire your creativity and spark your imagination. Think about it. No more struggling to come up with new ideas or struggling to find the right words to express your thoughts. This tool has got you covered. So if you're tired of this same old creative process and want to take your projects to the next level, then make sure to stick around, because in this video, I'm about to show you how this tool will make your creative tasks 10x easier. So what exactly is this tool? Well, Creative Fabrica is a well-known platform that offers digital files like fonts, graphics, crafting resources, creative courses, and a lot more. They have recently introduced CF Spark, an all-in-one solution that will satisfy all your creative needs. This tool will allow you to generate amazing AI art, copies, graphic elements, patterns, prompts, and even create new variations of existing images in a matter of seconds. So, without further ado, let's get started and see how we can use CF Spark. First, let's go to the Creative Fabrica website and create a new account. This will give you access to all of the tools and features available on the platform. Click on the first link in the description of this video to create an account in Creative Fabrica. Once you've logged in, click on Tools and then CF Spark. Now you'll be taken to this page where you can use all the AI tools. From here, you can choose whichever AI tool you want to use. I'll start by showing a demo of how the CF Spark art tool works. This tool allows you to generate your own unique artwork using cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. So to use this tool, click on Create Art. Now you will be taken to this page where you can enter your prompts to generate AI art. Once you have entered your prompt, you can choose the size of art you want to create. After choosing the size, click on the Ignite button. CF Spark will now process your prompts and generate unique pieces of art based on the parameters you've set. If you wish to upscale and download any one of these arts, click on the Publish button that appears when you hover over the art and wait for a couple of seconds. Once it has been published, you can then open the image in a new page and share it with anyone. If you want to download it, right-click on the image and save it to your device. That's how you can use the AI art generator in CF Spark. In addition to its art generation capabilities, CF Spark also has an AI writer tool that can help you generate content. To access the AI writer tool, simply go to the CF Spark dashboard and select the Create Texts option under the CF Spark Writer. From here, you can choose the type of content you want to generate, such as blog posts, articles, cold emails, books, etc. CF Spark Writer offers a wide variety of writing tools that will satisfy your needs. Once you have selected the tool, you will be taken to this page. You can now provide inputs for the AI to work with, and then click Create Content. The AI Writer tool will then process your input and generate a unique piece of content based on the parameters you've set. The result can be surprising and entertaining, and it's always interesting to see what the AI comes up with. The CF Spark platform also includes a tool called the Prompt Builder, which allows you to create custom prompts for the AI art tool. To use the Prompt Builder, simply go to the dashboard and then select the Prompt Builder option under the CF Spark Prompt Builder tool. From here, you can enter the initial prompt in this section and then add specific details to the prompt for the AI to work with. You can choose from all these and add them to the prompt. After building the prompts according to your needs, you can either copy it or directly use it in the CF Spark Art tool by clicking on the Prompt button next to the Copy button. This is a great way to get even more out of the AI tools in CF Spark, so be sure to try it out. In addition to its art and writing capabilities, CF Spark also includes an image variation tool that allows you to create new and unique versions of an image. This is a great way to add variety and interest to your existing images, or to explore different variations of a single image. To use the Image Variation tool, simply go to the CF Spark dashboard and select the Create Mixes option. From here, you can either upload an image or paste the link to the image that you want to use as the basis for your variations. Once you've selected your image, click on Generate and CF Spark will generate new versions of your image based on the parameters you've set. You can then save and download the resulting image or use it as the basis for further variations. So, if you're looking for a way to add some extra creativity and variety to your images, be sure to try out the Image Variation tool in CF Spark today. CF Spark also offers a tool that will generate unique, clean, and simple cut files by providing it with prompts. These images are transparent and don't have a background, which makes these images ready to use for various purposes. To use this tool, simply go to the CF Spark dashboard and select the Create Transparent PNGs option. From here, you can enter a prompt for the AI to work with in order to generate the transparent images. Once you've entered the prompt, click on Ignite and the AI will use the information you provided and generate unique pieces of transparent images. This is a great way to get more creative and get even more out of the AI. CF Spark has also introduced a tool called CF Spark Patterns, which will create repeatable patterns based on the information given to the AI. This is a great tool for creative tasks, as it will help you add more details and decorations to your work. So, to use this tool, go to the CF Spark dashboard and select the Create Patterns option. From here, you can enter a prompt for the AI to work with in order to generate the patterns. Once you've entered the prompt, click on Ignite and the AI will start generating multiple unique patterns for you. You can then publish and download them if you want. You can use your patterns to make beautiful greeting cards, print on-demand products, and much more. Give it a try today and see what kind of patterns the AI can generate for you. In addition to its powerful AI tools, CF Spark also includes a community feed feature that allows you to see what others are creating and get inspiration for your own works. This is a great way to connect with other users, see what others are doing with the AI tools in CF Spark, and get ideas for your own projects. To access the community feed, simply go to the CF Spark dashboard and select the Explore option at the bottom of the page. From here, you can browse through a selection of works created by other users, or search for specific works based on keywords or themes. You can go through the works of others and get inspired for your next creative work. So, are you ready to take your creativity to the next level? Then you need to check out CF Spark. With its powerful AI tools and engaging community, CF Spark is the perfect platform for anyone looking to generate new and unique content or add variety and interest to their existing works. And the best part, you can use CF Spark for free as long as you want. That's right, you can access all of the amazing features and tools in CF Spark without any upfront costs. However, if you want to take your experience to the next level, you can upgrade to the $9 monthly Spark subscription. This subscription gives you 1,000 speed credits, which will allow you to create your prompts faster and jump the queue. And here's the really exciting part. With the $9 Spark subscription, you can do anything you like with your own creations. They're yours, and you can give them away for free, sell them, print and sell, or anything else you can imagine. You will also have access to premium features like downloading the work privately, hiding prompts from the public, downloading the work in 4K, and more. With CF Spark, the possibilities are truly endless. If you want to know more about the license details, I will add the link to it in the description. So what are you waiting for? Check out CF Spark today and start exploring the amazing world of artificial intelligence. That was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like down below. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more such videos. I will see you soon. Bye.